Hello everyone, and welcome to my first YouTube video. In this video I'll be talking about reflections in relation to Minecraft plugins. So, a variable can be defined as private, protected, or final. If you're familiar with these access modifiers, you will know that they are impossible to modify from another Java class. However, that is not entirely true with relation to reflections. Reflections are used to examine and modify the behavior of methods and fields at runtime, essentially allowing you to change fields within Java at runtime. Now, one of the uses for reflections that I myself have used is to change the NMS code, that is the net.minecraft.server code. Things I've used it for is to change the outgoing packets of the outgoing packets where I modified the game profile. A game profile is essentially the data that tells the server who you are, and with it you can change the texture of a player, name tag, etc. The wonderful thing about packets is that you can change the information within it such that only a single player will see the effects of it. Packets will be covered in another video. Now, I would like to show you examples of reflections in relation to Minecraft. So, here I have set up two classes, and in our main class you can see that I have declared the healer class, and let's just instantiate that one real quick. So healer is named healer. Excellent. Now we have that one, and we have the on enable, and we have the on command. Now if you go to healer class, you can see that we have a field called message, which is a string saying hello there, and the access modifier of that field is private. Then we have a method saying send message, in which it'll take the player as an argument and essentially sending a message to the player of the string, the message we have written up here. So what we want to do in this video is we want to change this message using reflection, as it is a field that you're not allowed to or not able to get access to as you normally would. So let's just start off with creating a command where we can get the message. So what we do is we say healer, send message, and might as well just instantiate the player as well. But declare the player, that is player is equal to player. Send it. Now, just import that one. Now whenever we type in the command message, we will be giving the command the message from healer class, the field we have in here. Now what we want to do is we want to change that one. So we say change, just create that command. So what we want to do is we want to let Java know what field we want to get access to and what we want to change, which is this field here. So what we do is say field is equal to the healer class, healer.class.get declared fields, and just the name of the field, which is message. Let's just import that one. Let's run with try multi-catch. Okay, now we want to set the field we want to set it as accessible. We want to be able to reach it. Oops, true. And now the reason why we have to say set accessible is because the field is a private. It has the private access modifier, which means that I'm not allowed to, usually not allowed to get access to it from within the main class. And with the set accessible, it is, as the name implies, makes it accessible. So let's change the string. Field.set, and the object where we want to change the field within, and that is the healer class. The healer class that we've instantiated in our on enable. And what we want to change it with is the new message. It probably wants us to add exceptions to existing catch clause. There we go. Now let's import this. export it to our server. Right. Just rewind. Let's clear the weather now. Hold on, that's an error code. Oops, seems like we have an invalid bug in the wire. That's right. Right, let's try that one more time. Okay. Try to export it. Let's reload real quick. I'll make sure to type in the message command message. It will say hello there. Now, if we say change, there we go. We have now changed the field message within the Healy class using Flexion in Java. Thank you for watching this video.